Good evening, traders. We got the NASDAQ 100 futures on a 30-minute chart. You can see the downtrend. We call the big downtrend. We see a lot more. We've been down as much as 96 points in the after hours with the NASDAQ 100 futures. And with the futures going lower, that means that the bear is in control. There's going to be more downside. So we use the 30-minute chart because we have a lot of future traders that want the pivot points and they want the mathematical equations on buys for longs, and we can see that we had shorted them up here, and this was the major breakdown with an attempted rally to hit that resistance just to roll over and make a new lower low. So right now we're down in the after hours 96 points, and we will bounce off of the bottom. Look for bigger downside tomorrow. Join our program. Call me today. Let's roll that money together.